Hey everybody, it's Rhino Master. Welcome back to more, well, no more, but science non-fiction. In this episode, we are going, well, first, but I'm saying this episode. In this episode, we are going to do what I call the volcano eruption. Alright, first, you need your placemat. I already did this to test it, see if it works. Say hello to our friend, Director Thunder Viper. A little camera shot. Is it still rolling? Alright, first, you're going to need some baking soda and white vinegar. 100% pure. Alright, tell me when to stop, Thunder Viper.
Stop.
And tell me when to stop here.
Good.
Aw, I want more. Boom. That's the eruption. And the eruption continues. It doesn't?
Mm-mm.
Let me see the camera. And that's it. Take it back.
Did you give a face that?
I don't know. It only got your chewing face. Alright. That is this episode. Point it at me. That is this episode. I hope you guys subscribe. Feel free to subscribe, actually. And feel free to comment. Remember, a Rhino Master will always be here. And Volcano's Eruption is brought to you by RhinoMaster.com. Please go to join RhinoMaster.com on YouTube or look them up on the internet. Anyway, the volcano eruption is great. It is explosive. So go out and get yourself an exploding volcano today.